So tomorrow I'm going, I keep forgetting what it's called, it's either paragliding or, I don't know, sit on something with a fan behind you and you fly through the air. Doing that in Laos, it's one of the most beautiful places I've been so far. No, it's actually my favourite place I've been so far, it's so cool. All the mountains, the greenery, everything looks sick. It looks like something from like Game of Thrones. Like there was a castle on top of the mountains, you know, like you would see it in that series. But it is currently almost 12:15 and I've got to be up at 20 past 5 to wake up to go on it for sunrise. So the next clip you see is probably going to be me, Max and Luke struggling to get ready. And we're up. It's currently 5:55, getting picked up in 6 minutes. I don't want to slap a camera in a boy's face, because not even I want the camera in my face, but right, look at the shoes I've got to wear. They're soaked. This is like the #1 way to get hypothermia and everything. We just arrived and just remembered, I hate heights, like genuinely hate it. When I was younger I never used to do the abseiling at camp or nothing, because I'm a melt. The view's cool though. What's that? The boys are off. Turns out I've got to wait for the boys to finish, which is a bit dead, but game's a game. I can hear one of them in the clouds, but can't see them. Maybe I'll get them coming out. Someone's swooping in for landing. Ooh, they're getting by the fence. Are they getting by the fence? Oh. Pulled out a bit close. Alright, stepping up to the plate. Why am I bricking it for?
That's all I've got.
Whilst I was up, Matt's managed to use our electric plane for 2 minutes and smash it into the floor. So now he's got to pay out more money, look.
Oh no, that's all I've got. I don't have any more. I have no more.
Okay.
I have no more. No more money.
But that was very sick, but also very scary. Like people say, oh, planes are scary, I don't like flying. Well, what? Because of turbulence? Well, imagine getting turbulence on a little chair and not even strapped into properly, because I was well loose, with a fan and a parachute. That is scary. Like when you was coming down through the clouds, wobbling all over the gaff. But do I recommend it? Yeah. Was it good? Yeah. Would I do it again? Only if it wasn't cloudy. Well, that's good, isn't it? Alright, just didn't turn it. And now we're gonna go get breakfast. Our place we're staying. Can't be worse than yesterday's food. Probably gonna get some sleep because I'm running off about 3 hours sleep because I was on FaceTime with my family yesterday. Wait for the 360 video to be sent to me from the paragliding, edit the video, upload it, and then I don't know. But yeah, I'm sure I'll film it. Now, breakfast.